Hello, in this video tutorial you will learn how to install and configure FTP in Windows Server 2003 by Sachin Sami, powered by tech.pdguys.com. First, let's see some details about FTP. First, log on to a server with administrative rights. Now the step 1 is to install the FTP on the server. To install the FTP, go to Start, Control Panel, Add and Remove Program. Add and remove Windows component. On Add and remove Windows component wizard, click on Application Server. Click on Details. Click on FTP. Click on IIS Services, Internet Information Services. Now click on Details. Now as you can see, File Transfer Protocol FTP Services. Now click on this tick box and click OK. OK and Next. It will prompt you for a Windows Server 2003 CD. If you haven't put in the CD room, you should put now. After Windows installation wizard finished installation successfully, click Finish. Close Add and Remove Program. Go to Start, All Programs, Administrative Tools, Internet Information Services. On the Internet Information Services, click on the plus sign. As you can see, there is showing FTP sites. Click on the plus sign. Now there is default site is already exist. So we won't going to use the default website. So we will create a new website for FTP. Now right click on FTP sites, go to new, click on FTP sites. Click next. Type any description you want to put. I'm going to put cool one. Now click next. Now you have to assign the IP address. If you have seen our previous tutorials, you know which IP address I am going to assign. I am assigning 10.0.0.2. The port number is 21. You can change if you want. Now next. Now you can select the appropriate permission. Now click next. In the path, you have to assign a particular path to a folder. Now I am going to assign a path of a E drive and a folder name site. Now click OK. After clicking OK, click next. Now you can click here, write permission. If you select the right permission, user can also upload their data to the FTP server. Now click next. Now click Finish. Now we have configured successfully the FTP server. Now right click and click on Browse. If you click on Browse, it will show you all the data in that particular folder. That is the FTP folder. Now close this and let's see how to upload the data. Now there are three ways to upload the data. One is by command prompt. Start, run, type FTP, and the command prompt will open. At the old times we use this thing. So close this. We will use the graphical interface to upload and download the data. Let's use the Windows inbuilt FTP client. Click on My Network Places. Click on Add a New Place. Add New Network Place. Click Next. Now click next. Here you have to assign an IP address for that particular website, or you can also assign a name, a domain name for that particular site, or a FTP client or a server. Now there is shown that view some examples. You can click here to see example how to assign. Now there is a share folder you can assign, there is a website address that you can assign, and there is also a FTP you can assign. Now on our previous tutorial we have assigned a DNS server. We have created a DNS server to assign a particular name to this particular FTP. So I'm going to assign FTP semicolon / www Sachin Sami S. There is it. Now I am going to click OK. Now click next, and there is showing allow anonymous logon. If you want to allow anonymous logon, you can select here, or you can put a username. Now click next and click next. It is showing, do you want to open it right now? I will untick this and click next. Now the FTP client is ready to upload the data. First open this, double click, and as you can see the name ftp.www.sachinsami.com. You can also put the IP address to open this. Now as you can see all the data in that particular FTP folder or FTP server, you can say. Now if you want to upload something on the FTP server, let's say I want to upload some data on the server. To upload the data on the FTP server, just drag and drop, open this, and as you can see one, I will drag it here and it came into FTP folder. Now you are thinking, how can it be? The folder FTP folder which we selected is in E drive, the site folder. As you can see the one came here. I will show you two or three more. Let's say I've copied all this and I'm putting it into FTP server. As you can see all of this came into this E drive site folder. Okay, now let's close this and this, and let's assign the IP address to a FTP, and let's see it is open or not. It will open or not. Let's click next. Now click next. Type the IP address. That will be 10.0.0.2. Click next. Anonymous connections. Now click next. As you can see 10.0.0.2. Click next. Click finish. As you can see the FTP, same thing. So you can also open by name and also open by a IP address, because we have configured the DNS on this server. This is the first part. In a second part we will tell you how to use the dedicated application like FileZilla for FTP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more information, go to tech.ptclass.com. Presented by Sachin Sami. Powered by tech.ptclass.com.